Hello, trading is closed on October 31st, 2016. My last call said we should have a rally at least into the 2130s and more likely into the 2140s so that this drop could be reversed quickly and completely. Though we got into the 2130s, time hasn't yet run out for the recovery here. If it doesn't recover by early tomorrow, I think that one's going to fail. When these things fail, they tend to fail in a large way. Let's go over today's trade. We had sell and ultimate sell signals here. We got the drop. There's an optional target of 2130.66. If it doesn't print tomorrow, I'd forget it. These work 95% of the time, which means they don't work 5%. What I don't like about today's trade is we gapped up, hit a new high, couldn't hold on to any of the highs. We took out this low here, which is significant, and this is a pattern which almost always closes near the day's high. If it doesn't, it's big trouble. The negative significance of this would be negated if we gapped up sharply and took out this high, but anything less than that, it usually leads to big trouble. When you have the gap up, a higher high, a double, a bottom, a retest of this low here, almost always it's a favorable chart pattern. Could still be saved if we gap up tomorrow. We do have the higher target. We do have a wall into the close of sorts, but to me, this line's been really tested and tested too many times. I think it has to break at some point. And we should know by tomorrow if it breaks early tomorrow, which could lead to a very big drop, or if we gap up over this high, which should encounter resistance around here. In the event, I look for a chart pattern which tends to hit its high in the first hour and then drop until just before or during the lunch hour. This isn't good, and unless we gap up over these highs, this number won't print and we could have big trouble. If we do gap up, all these negative indicators fall by the wayside and I would forget about them. And that's today's call.